How to do the Vogue trend on TikTok. So today in this video I'm gonna show you the full tutorial how to make that Vogue trend challenge on TikTok. So you have to watch the video till the end. It's very pretty simple. I'm just gonna show you two step what you have to do here. So guys, before starting the videos, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that I will be motivated and I will bring up more informative videos every day. So without wasting time, let's begin the video. So guys, here it's very pretty simple. You just need to download this PicsArt application from your Google Play Store here or App Store. You can see here you have to download this first. So guys, after downloading, just click on the PicsArt application and then log in inside it. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to just click on this plus icon here on the below of your screen, and then after clicking here you have to select your picture. So let me just select my picture, and then here what you have to do, it's very pretty simple. You just need to click on this sticker icon. You can see here my mark, so you have to just click on sticker icon, and then you have to just search for Voguecover. Okay, so now just click here and then search it. So here you can see you will find lots of options, and then let me just select one cool one option. So let me just select this. You can select any of your this. So let me just select this. This is not nice. Okay, let me select one cool one. Okay, let me select this simple one. Okay, okay, this one. Okay, I will select this. Okay, so now here you can see here you can just adjust by your face, and then here what you need to do, just click on this right option on the top right of your screen. Okay, so guys, just click here and then it's done. Just click on save and save. Okay, so now guys, let me just show you. So guys, here what you have to do, just simply go to TikTok. Okay, so after going to TikTok, what you have to do here, you have to just click on this search bar option, and then after clicking to this search bar option you have to write VOGUECHALLENG. Okay, so now just click on search, and then you'll find here lots of options here. So now what you have to do, let me just select one option here, and then you have to just simply click on this option here. Okay, so after clicking to this option, what you have to do, you have to click on this use this song option. So you can select any of your song. So guys, you can see here it's very pretty simple. Now what you have to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to click on this you just need to click on this plus icon. You can see here, so just click on this plus icon, and then you have to select your photos here. Okay, you have to select, let me just select these photos, and then you can see here back side, you can see here it's pretty cool. So I guess you like this, and also you can make. If you like this video, please give one thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.